Before you move on, hear me out. There's a link in the description to something that's genuinely worth your attention. This product is getting noticed because it actually delivers on its promises. Smooth performance, dependable design, and incredibly simple operation. I tested it myself, and honestly, it exceeded every expectation I had. If you value quality, ease of use, and something that truly makes life simpler, this is a smart choice. Check the link below and take a closer look. You won't regret it. If you've been searching for a product that's reliable, efficient, and genuinely well designed, this is the one you need to pay attention to. This solution is gaining traction rapidly because it consistently provides smooth performance, high build quality, and effortless usability. Before you move on, hear me out. There's a link in the description to something that's